You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Italian polymath. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of famous mathematicians, scientists from history, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You should listen to the Italian pronunciation Vilfredo Pareto. Therefore, in English, you can say his name as Vilfredo Pareto. How to pronounce Vilfredo Pareto. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.